What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We're back on another day two of the breakdown, the weekly breakdown. So yesterday I was talking about NZJPY. I was looking for some sales right here, and I told you I was looking for returns to buy. You know the one funny thing, right? I avoided this loss to perfection. You know, when it created this right here, it created this left shoulder, left head, the head, right shoulder. When it broke out and it retest right here. So on this retest right here, I was waiting for some shift of structure right here, then get some bearish and go for the entry to continue selling. The same way we did right here. If it gave me like bearish and go for like this, I would have just straight up sell right from here and aim for this lows right here. But listen, guys, patience is key in trading. Patience is key. The markets reward those who are patient enough. If you are not patient enough to wait for a trade, you're never gonna be profitable. Alright? If you're not patient enough to wait for a trade, you are never gonna be profitable. So, however, I avoided this loss to perfection. I could have entered right here or right on this, but I don't know why I didn't enter, but I was gonna enter like this. You see this previous trade right here, it just broke out, retested under the EMA. I just entered right off here on this trade. I just entered right of this. Excuse me. I just entered right of this retest right here. But here, I don't know. I was gonna enter it, but something told me not to enter it just with some more confirmations. And news came out. I think it was CPI. We got CPI. CPI came out, and it just violated my area of interest totally. They didn't respect it. It just complete violation. So now I'm no more interested in NZJPY. I ain't gonna lie, I might be looking for buys probably next week. Cause remember, whenever we above, we buy, and whenever we end up, we selling. So if this daily candlestick able to close above this area right here, if it's able to close above this area, if you get something like this, some closure above this area, something like this, then you're gonna wait for retest right here to then buy. Simple. Just follow simple market structure. You follow the trend is your friend. The same way it happens right here. You broke out, you retest, then buy. Broke out, retest the structure, gives you rejection candles, then longs. Pretty simple. It's very easy. It's really easy. So now I'm no longer interested in SHFY. I'm gonna put it down here. But I did enter a trade. Actually, I did enter 2 trades. Remember I told you on Tuesday. Oh, I think that was on Tuesday. I said I really like this trade right here. AUDUSD. Let me talk about this one first. I entered this trade. I entered the longs on this trade right here. I really liked it. I waited for this right here. Let me move this for a second, right? So let me bring it back. So as you can see right here, we got a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Oh, this is structure. Lower high, lower low. So on the 4 hours it's bearish, but as you can see, it's respected the structure previously. Whenever we are above the structure, we buy. Whenever we are above, we buy in the structure. Whenever we break above, we buy in the structure. So yesterday on the retest of this structure right here, I was looking to enter. I really like the trade. So after this rejection from the EMA, I got in right after this engulfing candle right there. I got in bias right here. I was floating like 1 to 1 in profit. I was 1 to 1 in profit, almost 1 to 1, almost 1 to 1. And right before the CPI came out, I put my stop loss to break even before the news came out, and it completely just did violated this my stop loss. It completely violated my stop loss. I was really lucky. I put my stop loss at break even. I would have got smacked. See, almost got smacked. But I'm still with Euro USD. Honestly, Euro USD just looks the same as AD USD. It's like the little brother of it. See here, by on Euro USD to the far is kind of bearish. The only thing I don't like about Euro USD is on the 4 EMAs. It's kind of rejecting right here. But on Euro USD too, it's been respecting the structures pretty much really nicely in the past. As you can see, whenever we are above the zone, we are buying. Whenever we are above the zone, rejection to the upside. Whenever we are above, rejection to the upside, rejection to the upside, rejection to the upside, rejection to the upside. Whenever we are above, we rejection to the upside. We've had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, about 8 rejection to the upside. So it's pretty much respected. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty much respected. So I really like this trade. So I entered right after this evening star right here. This evening star formation, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. You break out the structure, and I enter right after this candle's close. And we had this bearish engulfing. I'm sorry, bullish engulfing from the 1 hour and the 30 minutes also bullish engulfing entry. I entered right after that, after this entry right here. So far, it's looking pretty good. This might be a trade for the week. This might be the only trade I'm gonna take for the week. I'm gonna hold to for the week, so I'm aiming for the highest right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. I'm only interested in this trade. As a matter of fact, ADUSD, I'm not more interested in it, but I'm gonna be looking at it. I put it right here, and on gold, right? On gold, as you all know, right now, I don't know. I don't even know what I was thinking earlier on when I took this trade on gold. These trades are here. This 1-2 trade. I don't know what I was thinking when I took those trade, because like now that I'm stepping back from gold and I'm looking at it from the high time frames and I'm zooming out, I can see like it's clearly fucking around right here. Gold is clearly fucking around right here. So I don't know why I was chasing this. It's like it doesn't have a direction right now. It's clearly fucking around. But here, whenever we are under the zone, we are selling though. Whenever we're under. And whenever we are above from this, we are up above the zone, we are buying. But right now we are in the middle of the zone, so we're just fucking around. So now what I'm clearly waiting for from gold is either we have a break above to then buy, or vice versa. We got a clean break under, then retest to then sell. Simple as that. It's either we got a break above or break under to sell or to buy gold. Because right now, as you can see, it's literally fucking around right here. Look at this, all this consolidation. There's no clear structure. Look, the same shit that happened right here. It just fucked around. When we break out, we just fucking sold. But I really would love buy some gold though. Because on the weekly, it needs a pullback. A pullback is overdue. Because look at this, right? A big bullish move, bullish move, And this bearish move is like doji weekly dojis right here. So before it's gonna continue going to the downside, we're gonna need a weekly pullback, then continuation to the downside. The market always creates high highs and high lows, or lower lows and lower highs. So now we have a lower low. We're gonna need a lower high to continue creating the lows. Now we have a lower low. We're gonna need a lower high to continue creating the lows. If it's creating the lower high, then we're gonna go on the daily. Then on the daily, we cut some small scalp or intraday trade. We cut the lows, pullback. Then when we get around this area right here, then we cut the cells back down. No, simple like market structure. Just follow the trend. The trend is suffering. So that's pretty much it. I'm in this trade, Euro USD. That's the only trade I'm in now. So I'm gonna be watching it. That's pretty much it. It's looking good, honestly. The only thing that I hate about this trade is the 4-hour EMA. This forecast EMA right here. It's like it's holding it from going down. But on the 2-hour and the 1-hour, I really love the EMA because we clearly broke above and we retested. I like on the lower time frame, but on the high time frame, I don't really like it for all. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for it for today. I'm gonna see you at the next one. Peace.